Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial of how I made that Hmong hat fin part in the front there. So I basically use felt and I already had that pre-made layering bright fabric in the front there, but I'll show you guys how they made it too. It's not too hard, but it's nice to have it already so you don't have to make all those layers. But this is the end of the video, and then I'll show you guys how I made it. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll try to answer them. If you want me to make a tutorial of the hat, comment below as well. So here, as you see, I have the roll, and then how they made it is they just sewed the fabric on and then they folded it down, if you can see there. So then I have a square, and you want two of those half moon shapes, and you kind of just roll up the square and then you stitch it down. So you kind of just roll it how big you want it. It was too big for me, so I just cut it down there. Then you just stitch it. I just stitch it and then I wrap the string around just to kind of keep it together, and then I just keep going down. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll cover it up with the layered fabric anyways. So there you have your roll, and it's just felt. So then you take the pieces that you have cut here. I'm just measuring it here just to show you guys. It doesn't have to be too big. I think maybe it was like maybe 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch squares that you could use. And then I think it was about 5 pieces that I had to use. I think the stick is probably, the roll is probably 5 inches probably for a little hat. And then you just want to fold the fabric down, and then you pinch it together and you basically just sew it. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll cover it up. You'll cover it up with the felt anyways. So here you could just showing you how you just pinch it together and then you sew. And there you go, you just pinch it and then sew it. Oh, careful honey. There, and then I just fast forward. I finished it. Probably took me 10 minutes to make this little part of the hat, maybe longer. Do the same for the bottom. You fold it down and then you pinch it together, and then here's the 2 pieces. You just want to cut it a little bit longer to give yourself extra room, and you can trim that off at the end. So then you just basically cover it and then sew it on. And then in the end, what I would do is I take the real fabric that I want and then I stitch that on top, lightly I guess, and then I run it through the sewing machine to just secure it down.